If you're over 60 and constantly battling nighttime leg cramps or weakness when walking, you're not alone. These muscle spasms can be sudden, painful, and deeply frustrating. But here's something you might not know. Your diet could be the missing piece. While most people turn to medications or creams, nature already provides powerful muscle-healing nutrients, hidden in everyday foods. The best part? These foods not only prevent leg cramps, but also boost strength, support balance, and keep your legs active and pain-free as you age. Today, let's break down 3 proven foods backed by science and trusted by wellness experts that can make a real difference in how your legs feel and move. Hello lovely viewer, welcome back to Essential Cures. 1. Bananas, nature's fast-acting cramp buster. Why they work. Bananas are loaded with potassium, an essential electrolyte that helps muscles contract and relax properly. As we age, potassium levels often decline, especially if you're on certain medications like diuretics or blood pressure pills. This can lead to frequent cramps, especially at night. Extra benefits. Regulates blood pressure. Supports nerve function. Boosts energy without caffeine. How to use. Eat a ripe banana 30 minutes before bed to reduce night cramps. Add banana slices to oatmeal or smoothies. For diabetics, pair it with protein or nuts to balance blood sugar. Pro tip. Avoid underripe bananas, they are harder to digest and may not offer the same cramp-fighting benefits. 2. Leafy greens, the magnesium plus calcium shield. Why they work. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard are rich in magnesium, a mineral that works hand in hand with calcium to relax tense muscles and improve circulation. Magnesium deficiencies are common in seniors and are a major hidden cause of chronic leg cramps. These greens also contain natural calcium and vitamin K, which work together to support stronger bones and muscle function. Extra benefits. Reduces muscle fatigue. Improves blood flow to the legs. Helps fight inflammation and joint pain. How to use. Add cooked spinach or kale to soups, stews, or scrambled eggs. Blend a green smoothie with Greek yogurt and berries for a leg-friendly breakfast. Steam and drizzle with olive oil and lemon for better nutrient absorption. Pro tip. Cooking leafy greens lightly helps release minerals and makes them easier to digest. 3. Greek yogurt, bone plus muscle support in one scoop. Why it works. Greek yogurt is a powerful source of calcium, which is crucial for preventing muscle cramps and maintaining strong bones. It also contains high-quality protein, which helps repair and maintain muscle mass, especially important for seniors to prevent leg weakness and loss of stability. Plus, the probiotics in Greek yogurt improve digestion and nutrient absorption, helping your body make better use of all those vitamins and minerals. Extra benefits. Provides vitamin D and B12 for nerve and muscle support. Strengthens bones and reduces fracture risk. Keeps you full and supports healthy weight. How to use. Eat 1 small bowl of plain Greek yogurt daily, preferably unsweetened. Add chia seeds or flax seeds for extra magnesium and omega-3s. Mix with fruit for a cramp-busting snack. Pro tip. If you're lactose intolerant, choose lactose-free or plant-based yogurts fortified with calcium and probiotics. Other simple tips to boost results. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is a major cause of cramps. Seniors often feel less thirsty, so drink water regularly throughout the day. Stretch before bed. Gentle calf and hamstring stretches in the evening can reduce night cramps significantly. Watch your medications. Some medicines like statins or diuretics can cause nutrient loss. Talk to your doctor about supplements if needed. Balance electrolytes naturally. Besides potassium and magnesium, make sure you're getting enough sodium and calcium, especially if you sweat a lot. You don't need to suffer in silence or rely on pills alone. Sometimes, the simplest change, like eating the right foods daily, can bring the biggest relief. By adding bananas, leafy greens, and Greek yogurt to your routine, you're not just fighting off leg cramps, you're building stronger legs, better balance, and a more mobile future. Have you been struggling with leg cramps lately? Or do you already eat one of these foods regularly? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story could help someone else. You might want to dive into other topics of interest like knowing more about 7 early warning signs of a heart attack? Go ahead, click, watch and learn more. Wishing you all the best and see you on the other side.